Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's Radeon RX 7600 XT 16GB graphics card. So friends, Gigabyte launches Radeon RX 7600 XT with 16GB memory. And friend, Gigabyte AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT gaming OS 16GB graphics card comes with top-of-the-line WindForce cooling system from Gigabyte, and it delivers unmatched performance, stunning visual effects, exceptional efficiency, perfect for smooth 1080p gaming and streaming experience. The Gigabyte WindForce cooling system is tailored for gamers, boasting three unique blade fans with alternate spinning, composite copper heat pipes in direct contact with GPU, 3D active fans, and screen cooling. The alternate spinning technology rotates the central fan in the opposite direction of the side fans, directing airflow in the same direction and doubling air pressure while reducing turbulence and strand, bending and sustaining damage. And the graphics card feature a gaming style design with LED lighting on the side that can be customized through software to display a personalized style. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.